Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about the Wi-Fi unpair setting in our Samsung phone. How can we unpair Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone? Friends, you want to unpair your Wi-Fi network, so friends, you can unpair easily. And friends, now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network. First of all, guys, open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, you can see guys your connection setting. Guys, tap here. Guys, click on your Wi-Fi setting. And which network guys you have paired, then guys you want to unpair, you can unpair guys. Right side click setting option. Then you can see this QR code guys, you want to share, you can share from here guys. You can see this forget option guys, tap here to unpair guys. So with Wi-Fi network with unpair guys we cannot use guys. If we use, so we will have to enter password again. So like that guys, you can unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.